This is another book that's really helping me out. It's called Auto Repair for Dummies, of course. And this is part of the start of my learning curve. So there you see the table of contents. It's actually a pretty good tool for anybody that's trying to get into some basic mechanic work. So yeah. Hopefully I can start making some pretty good quality videos here and having some subscriptions. And of course I'm trying to get as much views as everybody else on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and